Okay, now let us do this sum. We have to prove that sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now, for this, we have to draw one diagram. Let's say KOL. This is one angle I have drawn. KOL. This angle is A. And again, I have drawn OM, that is MOL angle, that is B. See here I have written one is A, another is B. Now in the position OM, I have taken one point P. Now from the point P, I have drawn perpendicular on OK and on OL. So PQ is one perpendicular, PR is another perpendicular. Now from R, again I have drawn perpendicular RT on OK and RS on PQ. Now see, RSQT is a rectangle. So SR is equal to QT and SQ is equal to RT. Now see here, if I take the sin A plus B angle, sin A plus B, that is these two angle. So PQO is the triangle, then sin A plus B, the formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular here PQ and hypotenuse OP, that is I have written. Now see PQ you can write it PS plus SQ, that is written PS plus SQ. Now we can divide PS, separate PS by OP, SQ by OP. But see here I have written RT by OP. Why RT? Because this SQ is equal to RT. Because the rectangle I told you opposite side equal, that is in place of SQ I have written RT. Now see here PS by PR into PR by OP I did. Again here RT by OR, OR by OP I did. This PR divide multiply, OR divide multiply I did. Why do I do this? Now answer is that I want to use PS. PS means this. So PS is the side of which triangle side. Triangle is PRS and its triangle, this triangle's hypotenuse is one PR. So I divide by PR, multiply by PR. Similarly here also RT. RT is this. So RT is the side of which triangle? ORT, and here which one is hypotenuse? OR. So you divide by OR and multiply OR. Then what will happen? PS by PR, I am showing in the diagram, PS by PR, that is base by hypotenuse, and this angle is A, that is cos A. Now question is why it is A? See, this is perpendicular, so this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angle, and this angle plus this angle is 90 degree. Again this angle is and this angle is 90 degrees. Obviously then this angle A, that also A. Now this one is cos A. Similarly PR by OP, from the diagram you see PR by OP. This is perpendicular by hypotenuse and the angle is B. So cos, this angle is B. PR, that is this, by OP. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sin B. And RT by OR, this is sin A, OR by OP, this is cos B. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B we have got. Similarly you see cos A plus B, this is the angle, base is OQ, that is written, hypotenuse is OP, so base by hypotenuse written. Now OQ you can write OT minus QT here. Now separate OT by OP, QT by OP. Now OT by OR, OR by OP. OT by OR, then OR by OP. Now see, here OR means the OT side containing triangles hypotenuse. Now base by hypotenuse will be cos. Here also base by hypotenuse, that is cos. But this is for angle A and this is for angle B. I told you from the diagram you see. And SR by PR, that is sin A, and PR by OP, that is sin B. From the diagram we can tell. So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It is proved. That's all.